Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview experience. If you are coming first time in our channel, do subscribe and share this news with your friends so that you will receive latest job notification from our channel. Today's job notification has come from EPAM system. If you have not heard about EPAM, you should heard because this is a very good IT industry, American based company. So they basically specializes in the product development, digital platform engineering. So all details I'm going to discuss, how you do the registration, who are the eligible batches, what is the role. So stay tuned till the video end. So let's get started. So they are hiring in the 2022. So application support engineer is the job role. So eligibility criteria they have set is 2021 graduates only eligible. Educational qualification like BE Tech in CSC ITC are eligible. MCA batches are eligible. MSc with CSC background are eligible with minimum of 60% academic score is required in your graduation from your 10th 12th up to your highest education. Okay, so experience, no experience is required. Who are keen to build career in application support, those can apply. So your location, mainly either of these location of EPAM India offices like Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram. So your training location will be Hyderabad. So basically, you will do there as a application operations support analyst role. The role is great opportunity to learn technology basics, troubleshooting, desire to be a team player. So basic requirements they have set: you must have bachelor degree, must have problem solving nature, team player, analytical critical thinking skills, 24/7 support you can give. Three different shifts there are according to the project roster. So you can once again go through the job details in the career page of there. So what is the hiring process? One round will happen for the online assessment followed by GD. Here you need to crack the GD. Then technical and HR interview will happen. More detail you will get in your registered mail ID after getting selected through the online assessment. Okay, so the CTC is very good, 4 lakh per annum plus standard benefits you will get. Okay, if you are selected and offered, you will be assigned to AMS and IMS practice of EPAM, and online coding assessment will happen January 18th 2022. In your hand only 8 days are there for preparation. Joining date is February 2 2022, very early. So training will be conducted for the offered candidates only for first 2-3 months at Hyderabad office. In case the office is reopened and lockdown is lifted due to COVID-19, okay, else online training will be happen through Microsoft Teams platform. Further details will be shared to the eligible students after selection and offer. All the eligible candidate will receive an online assessment link on their registered mail ID. Candidate who cleared the first round will receive further information for the technical and HR round. All the selected offered candidate will be allocated to the AMS IMS practice for application support engineer role. The registration will close on 16th of January, that is coming Sunday, 12 p.m. So click on the apply button if you are interested. Before that, if you click on apply button, it will redirect to the Microsoft form. So there once again you can go through all the details. Here you need to fill up all your details like your personal details, your educational details, as well as your current state of residence. Then a few other information like from where you get to know about this hiring. So you have to click on next, then fill up your educational qualification marks, if you have any internship opportunity, experience, etc. These kind of things you need to fill up, and finally you need to apply. So this is the whole registration process. I have hoping that I have cleared your doubt. So, thanks for watching. Please share this news with your friends. Those who are interested can apply. Very good opportunity for all the candidates of 2021 pass out. So, please share this news and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.